What's going on, guys? So in today's video we're going to be installing some Auxbeam headlights on old Larry. So if you saw one of the previous videos, we did the Amazon ultra bright, obviously BS headlights at this point, because they just were barely any better looking than factory, and factory was pretty crap. So today we're hopefully going to get some super bright lights going on in Larry. We have the eBay Amazon clears, but the factory lights, and it doesn't shine good at all, and it has a really ugly color. It's also about to storm on us, but we're gonna go ahead and pull Larry in. But before we do that, let's check out the lights, how they were, so we'll have a little before and after. So as you can see, they still look horrible. I mean, they're still very yellow, even though these lights were advertised as being some super bright white. They're crap. All right, they're crap. I know. I need to get some LED turn signals, but that's not what we're worried about. But today, thanks to Auxbeam, which hopefully these fit good, because these headlights, they got a lot going on behind them, and we might run into some clearance issues, but hopefully not. Go ahead and pull Larry in. Start taking this thing apart. Alright, first things first, let's get this old crappy replacement out of there. There we are. Alright. Baby's a little bit warm. So that's what this is. I highly do not recommend putting in there. Alright, so we're about ready to start the disassembly, but let's go ahead and check out what we got with the package. So we got our lights, and that comes with this little tool. And then you're going to need a 7mm socket for the side marker bolt. I'll talk more about this once we get the other headlights out. So let's go ahead and pull those out. Like I said, all you're going to need, 7mm right here for the side marker. Once we pull this side marker out, pull 2 tabs. All you do is push forward and pull up. I'm going to use my dominant hand, because there we go. All right, just like that and that. And then the headlight will come out once we get this out. This little guy right here, so just make sure you don't drop that. Alright, so in order to get this thing on the back side of those so that it'll secure onto here, take this off so we can take this black piece off in order to get this behind it, because it can't just fit over it. So let's go ahead and grab our little Allen head. Should just slide off of here. Little O-ring right there. Keep that in the same position I took it off. This is going to be like this. Alright, now we have our locking mechanism. And these babies should be good to go in. Alright, so I thought the cable was wanting to go down, but it looks like it's going to be facing directly up. Yeah, that slid right into place like that. So I'm not sure how that's going to throw our light, or if I'll have to adjust this, rotate it somehow. But yeah, it's in there. Hopefully y'all could see that. It slid right in. So let's grab our little other guy. See how this... And right there it is. My little tabs are broken, but slid right in there perfectly. So now, take our headlight. This is the other end. We're going to line this up with our connections. There's a little tab, so it should only go one way. Screw this in so it's all watertight. And throw our headlight back in. All right, all back together. Let's go ahead and turn it on and see if it works. Yeah, I would say it's definitely working. So right off the bat, a million times better as far as the color itself compared to these. I mean, it's most definitely a nice pure white light. We'll see exactly how much adjusting we have to do and everything, but even you can see right, super bright, kind of crappy. And I'm sure you can hear the fan just barely. Pretty quiet as well. So, daggum, I'm pretty pumped about that. Let's see. It seems like it's adjusted fairly well. Let me go over there and hit the bright, see what it does. Thumbs up, that was pretty easy. So, that was the easy side though. Let's turn the lights off and then check this out. So I don't think we'll actually have to do anything crazy. We're just gonna have to take the headlight out like on the other side and finagle through here. And we should be able to get in there and have enough room to tuck everything out of the way and hopefully not get too much heat built up right here by this coolant reservoir with the headlight and everything. But right off the bat, that was that's awesome. That's that's the color I was looking for when I upgraded to the headlights that are the bulbs that are in there now. And just like that, we are all buttoned up, ready to go. So super easy installed. Shouldn't take you more than, I'd say, 30 minutes to get everything done. Just depends on how finicky everything is and how much fine tuning you want to do. We will have to go back and see about our adjustments, but right off the bat, we got the good light. We got the good color now. No more gross yellow. And obviously, we're gonna knock those switchback side markers out for sure. But I mean, that's so much better than having the nasty halogen yellow. And it is a very pure white. It looks slightly bluish on my GoPro looking at it right here, but in person it does look very, very white. So all this leaves now is wait until it gets dark, go outside, see how they look, and then the longevity test will, you know, time will only tell. I can't say for sure on that just quite yet, but we will see. So once it gets dark, we'll pull Larry out, see how bright these look going down the road. Alright guys, well here's what we're working with. So much better than it was. I definitely need to do a little bit of fine tuning to get it as smooth as possible, but especially on high beam, but so much more appealing. Just having a nice crisp white rather than a nasty yellow is so much better, and they're definitely brighter. Like I said, I just need to fine tune it and get them as smooth and directed properly as possible. Alright guys, we're going to end the video off here checking out the lights. We're in front of the steam plant. Look like a scene out of Godzilla. Check out this speed limit sign, 43. Anyways, all right, I'm getting distracted. But the headlights, they work awesome. If you haven't already, you're gonna see a little clip going down the road. My iPhone's out of storage. And so we're just working with what we got. So they look really good. They're bright. They throw out some good light, as you can see. And definitely worth the upgrade for sure. Super easy install. Everything about it was super easy. That's gonna do it, guys. Hopefully you enjoy. All the links to this will be in the description, as well as discount codes, so feel free to check it out, get you some, and I'll see y'all in the next one.